Are you struggling to get your club noticed online? Let's change that with 6 of my top-notch local SEO tips specifically for clubs. Hi, I'm Anna from Club Reach Marketing and welcome back to DigiSpark Media. Today we are diving into my top 6 local SEO strategies designed just for clubs like yours. I'm going to be breaking it all down into manageable chunks so you can get started on the most important ones right now. You ready to boost your visibility and attract more local members? Grab a cuppa and let's get started. So why is local SEO so important? Well, when someone searches for gymnastics club near me or dance classes in Brighton, good SEO makes sure your club pops up right at the top. It's like waving a giant flag that says, hey, we're here and we are awesome. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. Local SEO focuses on making your business show up on local searches, which is crucial for clubs that want to attract nearby members. Did you know that 46% of all Google searches are looking for local information? That is nearly half of all searches. Imagine all those potential members finding you instead of that club down the road. Let's make sure you are the star of the local show. All right, first up, keyword research. So it's about finding the exact words and phrases that people in your area use when searching for clubs like yours. So think of it like discovering the secret handshake to get into the cool kids club. We all want to be in that one. So what are keywords? Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for something. So for your club, you want to use keywords that are relevant to what your club offers and where it's located. So for example, gymnastics club in London or dance classes in Manchester. These keywords should be sprinkled throughout your website content in places like your page titles and headings and descriptions. This really helps search engines understand what your site is about and match it with people looking for your services. Here's how you do it. You need to use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs and Ubersuggest. These tools help you work out what keywords people are searching for the most. So think of them as your digital Sherpas guiding you to the peak of Mount SEO. And don't forget about long tail keywords. These are longer phrases people might use, like best after school dance programs in Bristol. They might not be searched as often, but they are super specific and less competitive. It's like fishing in a pond where you are the only one with bait. Much easier to get a bite. So why is this important? Because the right keywords can drive the right traffic to your site, meaning more potential members for your club. So next up is your Google My Business profile. Think of this as your club's online business card. It is essential for local SEO because it helps you appear in local search results and on Google Maps. Make sure your profile is complete with all the important details: address, phone number, website, and a detailed description of your club. Add high quality photos of your activities and events. Profiles with photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more click-throughs to their website. Thank you, Google, for that stat. So encourage your members to leave positive reviews and make sure you respond to them. It shows you're engaged and care about your community. Plus, reviews can significantly boost your local SEO. It's time for a nap. No, not that kind. NAP stands for name, address, and phone number. Now, consistency is key here. You want to make sure that this information is identical on your website, social media profiles, local directories, and anywhere else your club is listed. Why does this even matter? Well, because consistent information across the web helps search engines verify your business and boost its visibility in local searches. Think of it as putting up consistent signposts all over town, pointing directly to your club. Use tools like Moz Local to check and manage your listings across various platforms. Now you're going to really want to create content that resonates with your local audience. It is a great way to improve your local SEO. Write blog posts about local events your club is involved in. Feature local community members or highlight success stories from your club. Create guides or lists related to your club's activities, like top top 10 places to practice gymnastics in London. This kind of content not only engages your audience, but it also signals to search engines that your site is relevant to local searches. Now we're going to look at backlinks. Backlinks from local websites do signal to search engines that your club is relevant in your area, and it boosts you up. You want to partner with local businesses for local events and get them to link back to your website. Reach out to local newspapers or online news sites to cover your events and link it to your website. Get involved with local schools or charities or other community organisations. Their websites often have really high authority. So why are backlinks even important? Well, because they act as like votes of confidence from other sites, telling search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Now, the scary bit. Tracking your SEO. It really helps you see what's working and what's not working. You want to use Google Analytics to really monitor your Google traffic and see which keywords and traffic are driving visits. Now, Google Search Console is another great tool for tracking your site's search performance and fixing any issues that might arise. Local SEO isn't a one and done deal. You have to keep tweaking and improving your strategy based on what you see in this data. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So you're ready to boost your club's local SEO? Start with these tips and watch your club grow and rise up those rankings. Have you got any questions or want any further tips? Drop them in the comments below. Now don't forget to join our Facebook community for more discussions and support from fellow club leaders, and let's make your club the talk of the town. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to DigiSpark Media for more digital marketing tips and tricks for your club. See you in the next video. Bye bye.